If you've been wondering how to use Nano Banana, the newest image generation tool from Google Gemini, this video will walk you through it. It's designed to let you create all kinds of fun and unique images right inside the app. The first step in this tutorial is to access the tool itself, and we can do that by updating our Gemini application from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. Since this is a new feature from Google, you'll want to update the app to the latest version, and we can then open it. The interface is going to look something like this, and we will now switch to the 2.5 flash model at the top. This model comes with the Nano Banana model already built in, so your job is to just start asking it to make a specific image which you need. I'm going to ask it to make me a beautiful image of the Switzerland mountains as an example for this video, and I'll tell it to create it in ultra-realistic form so that the image looks like it was taken with a professional DSLR camera and not generated with AI. And what's really interesting about Nano Banana is that it isn't just some random add-on. It's part of Google's push to make Gemini more creative and more useful right inside the app. The nano part means it's light enough to run on your device, and the banana part is basically Google's code name for the new image generation feature they've added. So you're not dealing with an outside app or a plugin. It's built right into Gemini, which makes it really easy to use. Another cool thing about this model is the amount of control you have over the images. You can be super descriptive with your prompts, and the more detail you give, the better your results will be. For example, instead of just saying, "Make me a mountain," you can say, "Make me a snowy mountain range at sunrise," with golden light reflecting on the peaks, ultra-realistic like a DSLR photo. The model will try to match that description as closely as possible, and that's where it really shines. Now keep in mind this tool is still fairly new, so the results might vary a little depending on what you ask for. Sometimes you'll get an image that looks almost like a real photo, and other times it might come out looking a bit more artistic or abstract. That's part of the fun, though. You can experiment with different prompts until you get exactly what you're after. You can also try out different styles, like asking for something in a vintage film look, or in pixel art, or even in a cartoon style. Nano Banana is flexible enough to handle those types of requests, so you're not limited to just one style of image. And the best part? Because this is all happening inside Gemini, you don't have to jump between different programs or websites. Everything is in one place, and once the image is generated, you can save it, share it, or even use it as inspiration for other creative projects. So that's really the power of Nano Banana. It's simple, it's built in, and it gives you a lot of freedom to create unique images just by describing them. Whether you're making something fun for social media, testing out creative ideas, or just exploring what AI can do, this is a tool you'll definitely want to play around with.